Guys, I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul, and in this haul you're going to see my fall stuff, and you're going to see some more couple of cleaning things that I picked up, and also some Bolero products that I found. And I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get started with our fall stuff. First thing I found was the Friends and Family Gather Here. So this is going to be cute for fall time. I also was able to find the Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. I thought this would be bigger because I've seen people haul these, and I didn't know they were this small, but this is cute. Also found the Hello Fall sign. And then I got the Bless the Family Beside Us and the Love Between Us. Picked up 2 candles. It smells kind of like, what did I say it smelled like? Ginger, pumpkin. So I got 2 of these. I picked up 2 pumpkins for my kitchen table. I'll probably get a tablecloth and put these on my table with some candles or something. They had brown, what do they call? Pot holders and towels, because I want to put up like those colors for fall. So I will probably get those later for my stove, and then the little pot holders, where I hang up my pot holders near my stove. I was also able to find the Gather sign, and you can tell that this is a new shipment and they just put it out, and it was like brand new because it still had stuff over there. And the Thankful sign. Okay, so what else did I get? I got these flowers to put in my windowsill. So I got my flowers ready to go for my windowsill when I do that. And then I picked up these dryer sheets. Some more dryer sheets. And I picked up these 2 Lysol Clean and Fresh toilet bowl cleaners, because I've seen these. I haven't really seen these, so I was like, let me get it, because sometimes they have this stuff, sometimes they don't. I was able to find the Hydra Mist face wash to go with my little set that I found last time. And then I found some Bolero products. I found the facial wipes in pink sea salt and rose water. And I also found the body wash. Let me see. The body wash. And they have a hand wash, the same brand, same scent or whatever. And then the facial wash. So that is my haul. I'm so excited that I was able to find some stuff for fall. I want to go back, try to find something for my door, so I can put something on my door. So I finally found the fall stuff. I told y'all I was looking for it. I couldn't find it, and I finally found it. So that is all for this haul. I have a lot to do, so I'm going to go now, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.